Press the bell icon for all the updates.
Yeah! Yeah! Yes! 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 Lovely!
What's up, Sophia? You know, I don't know if you guys know this, but when I did Student of the Year, the first college, were any of y'all in college during that time? No. No, you guys were? So y'all haven't graduated since then?
कितना फेल हो गए?
अब तक नहीं गए from a student I went to college. Sorry? Okay.
You were in junior college.
You were in junior college. So this is the first college I ever, and I mean ever went to support a film. And the reason why after so many years I've come back here, there's a big reason for this, okay? Because when you do your first film, it's that pure for you, it's that important for you. But with me over here, I have a debutant. Just like how I felt back then, she feels right now.
A big round of applause for Vanita.
Vanita, guys, can we hear it for Vanita? Okay, first off, October is something which is it was very difficult for me to do because it's not my comfort zone. And I've gone out and I've done it for you guys because...
Okay. But we all want to know why October?
Because, you know, I think for a while I was doing a lot of films and I would read all these letters and on Twitter and this and that where people would say that, Varun, abhi ye kar liya, but we want to see you acting in something serious, we want to see you in something else. We want to see you in a Sujit Sarkar film.
Oh,
So, because I loved Piku, I loved Vicky Dona, I loved Pig.
Madras.
And so I went there, I went to his office, I begged, I said, Dada, my fans want to see me in your cinema. I want to try and attempt this. I want to try and do something from the heart. I want to try and do something really, really pure. And will you give me the opportunity, please? And honestly, I think it's because of your love that he even noticed me. And I am where I am, so I want to say thank you to you guys.
Oh,
for that.
nice one. Okay. Hey, it's working. So let's just sit and then talk. Hello.
Don't make us sit and all that. We also pretty. So by the way,
Check.
Banita is just 20 years old. She herself is in college.
Check.
So I think we should hear something from Banita. Banita, why don't you say something? Because she
Check,
was. So
check,
this is not the
check.
press. These are just normal college students, and I think they like the film as of now. So I know you all can understand how she must be feeling.
Check,
But
check.
so you can just tell them what you feel. Tell them what you feel, like whatever you're feeling.
Thanks.
Check.
I'm quite nervous, but I'm literally just like you girls. I'm still studying and working with this one on the side, which is a bit of a treat. But yeah, I'm just so happy to be here, and it's so nice to have such a warm welcome. This is like Varun said, my first college appearance ever, and it's nice to be with people my own age for once.
Check. Okay, ma'am. This is your debut film.
Dude, I'm 20 years old, seriously?
I'm 21-year-old. Okay, but still, this is your first film.
Yeah,
Your co-star is Mr. Varun Dhawan.
yeah,
And the director of the film is Mr. Shujit Sarkar.
yeah.
How was the experience? Like the whole experience while shooting this film?
Oh, it was an absolute dream. It just, you couldn't get a better pairing than this. I mean, having Varun and Shajit, so I really had the best of both worlds. And the experience of, I can't reveal too much, you guys will have to go to the cinemas and actually see and be able to feel what we felt when we were shooting this film. But it's something that you don't get in an ordinary film. It's an experience and a feeling that is so special and that it really is once in a lifetime. And I genuinely hope this isn't a once in a lifetime thing because I just started so early.
I think I want to make this really special for her and special for myself.
check,
So
check.
I always come,
Check,
they play
check,
the trailer,
check,
I
check,
come out
check,
there, today
check.
we did this with the press, but we haven't actually got the chance to just sit on a chair and watch the trailer. So for the first time, let's do this. If there is a screen, if this can go up, if we can watch the trailer with you guys sitting over here, if that'll be cool. Will that be cool? No, we can sit here, it's fine, yeah. It'll be fine. So if we can
Hello.
see the trailer once.
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, can we give it up for the trailer of October? अब ये ऊपर जाएगा, ले जाइए इसे, ले जाइए. सर वो मर रही है सर, सर वो मर रही है. नहीं, you have to watch.
सांस लो बेटी, सांस लो, सांस लो. हाँ तस्वीर को इसको हम ऊपर ले जाएंगे. चलो ऊपर. चलो ना, प्लीज चलो. चलती नहीं. और तो guys, सभी करो applause for बॉम्बे कारखाना एंटरटेनमेंट. बढ़िया. हेलो बेटे, बेटे फोन में बात लगी है, इसको ऊपर पकाइए. ये ऊपर नहीं जाएगा तो ट्रेलर कैसे देखेंगे? Okay.
Blue man.
Oh, they're fake.
Sir, the question is from you.
I'm just obsessed with the dreadlocks right now.
नाम क्या है आपका?
Bani Ba. Don't you think it's like really cool hair?
Question man.
What shampoo do you use, Bani? Do you use the which one? Bioti. I like your hair.
Hi.
Hi, what's up?
So, according to me, love is definitely not my dupatta getting stuck in a guy's kurta. So, what is your idea of, what's your take on the depiction of love in Bollywood in general?
Okay, so in general, definitely it's a bit far-fetched. I've been part of a lot of films that kind of propagate that or show that as well, which take you to this fantasy world where it'll happen in this way and not happen this way. But obviously, we all know that in reality, love doesn't always turn out to be like that, and love is often followed with heartbreak, which I think, which as human beings we need to go through, because that helps you grow as a human being. And I feel love, for me, needs to be selfless. The greatest love, I mean, love should not only be termed as romantic love, which is always between a boy and a girl, or between a boy and boy, or girl and girl, or I mean, it's fine. I mean, whichever way a person goes. I'm saying, love for me is like, I've had friends who became my friends when I was literally from junior KG, you know, till I am now 30 years old. Till now, there's this boy, Aman Malhotra, he's my best friend till date. And the reason I'm saying that's love, because I can call him at any time at night, Aman will show up, he'll be there for me. And friendship is love in that sense. And so I hope that when I actually find someone, whichever girl that I do fall in love with, I tell her that you have to probably love me more than Aman loves me. Then
What's your name?
Madeline, nice meeting you, Madeline.
Yeah. What's your name?
Paripsa.
उनको बोलो.
Pavitra.
Paripsa.
Paripsa. What does Paripsa mean?
It's a Sanskrit word which means higher desire.
Higher desire. Oh, that's pretty trippy.
My sister name is Ipsa and she wanted my name to rhyme with her.
Oh, so Ipsa. So Ipsa and Paripsa.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
Ipsa.
Is Ipsa over here?
Much older.
Okay, much older. She graduated long back. Okay, so what's your question?
So firstly, your trailer seems very intriguing. I can't actually imagine what the plot will be, which makes me want to watch the movie more. So I have a blog and I write a lot about self-love and loving yourself first so that you can love someone else.
Correct.
But to a layman, it will just seem, when you talk about self-love, you just think that you're being very selfish or self-obsessed. So what is your idea of self-love?
So he's one of the happiest people I've ever met in my life. So he definitely practices self-love. You have just practiced self-love and come on stage right now. Every day? You need it. No.
4 years back, I was an assistant director on your film.
Which film?
Hamdi Sharma ki Durand.
You were you? Seriously?
1 day intern, sir.
Huh?
1 day intern.
Only one day you did?
I came with Sai Bhai.
I know. How do you know Sahil?
I do theatre with him.
Oh shit.
So I will do a film 1,000 years later.
No, but still, man, we've done a film together. That's great. No, I'm sure now things will be faster. They'll move faster.
Yes, someone hung nahi.
No, so no, honestly, can I use that one? Sorry. Hello. Check it.
I think what you just spoke about self-love, it's a very important theme, and if you don't love yourself, it's impossible for you to be loving towards others, you know. it's so important to love yourself, care about yourself, look after yourself, because if you cannot do that, you'll never find beauty in others. And I want to tell all of you all over here that you're all are the most beautiful people sitting over here right now. You're all over here. And I'm not saying this because I've come here to promote a film or anything like that. I genuinely mean this, and have a lot of confidence in yourself. Believe that you are the star of your own life and not, look up. Heroines, we all do a lot of makeup, hair, come here, that's why we look a certain way or whatever. That's all other people help us do that. But I want to tell all of you all that you all are the stars of your own life. And what she's writing about is really very important and important in today's life, especially with social media and stuff like that, because we get so affected. Arey, aaj itne likes aaye nahi. Did this person like me or no? And in fact, today Banita told me a great thing. I was like, I'm worried. Let's see how people take to this because it's so different from my other work. And she's like, who cares? She's like, you know how happy you were by doing this movie. You know in your heart how you felt. And this is, and I'm actually pretty happy right now.
What you want is.
Thank you.
पता ही नहीं था. Any other questions? Question, ma'am. Question. Hello, ताली बाद में. Question. Yeah. Sir, one more question.
My name is Vishya. So in Bollywood we only really explored the genre of romance, we explored their relationships. So as an actor and as an actress of our generation, what else do you think can be explored in this genre?
In times of in like romance, I think in our films over here, see like what we just spoke about. For me also, I want to set up. Honestly, like you said, our generation, I have a lot of friends who sometimes see movies and they're like, yeah man, that's a bit lame, it's the same thing, and okay, fine, you did this, okay, but now the song came and the singing, so it's eventually the same thing. So but when this film came about, and when I heard the story, it was not about saying, oh I love you, oh I feel you, because love is the most abused word today in the world almost, you just use it so loosely. It's a story about love. What is true love? Love is an action, love is in caring. What do you do to show your love? Even if the amount of time you give your loved ones, the amount of care you show your loved ones, that is more love, And I think like today, for me, I've just come back from Chandeli, not slept, come back, she's flown in from somewhere, she's jet lagged. We did this trailer launch, but I was so adamant that I wanted to come here. Like I said, because like I said, when I debuted, I came here. So it was so important for me that she gets even a small, if she can just relate to that experience that I felt when I was there. Because I can't even feel what she's feeling right now. And as a co-star, I love her because she was there for me throughout that film and she's been tremendously there. So I just wanted to kind of feel the love that you guys are getting right now for us. Right?
Ma'am, any questions? You? वहाँ तो देख लो पहले. आप पीली कुर्ती वाली. क्वेश्चन पूछिए. बस लाउड होना पड़ेगा थोड़ा आपको.
So I'm an animal rights activist. So I wanted to ask you whether your idea of love is restricted to human species or would you extend it to animals?
It 100% has to be extended towards animals, and it's a great question that you asked because so many of them have been on this earth even way before us. So they have a bigger right on this planet than us. And it's high time that we start, looking at them, looking at their needs. And why only restrict it to animals? We need to extend it even towards nature, I think these plants were here on this earth way before us. So I think each and everything, tangible or intangible, we have to be able to kind of show that love towards it. I think only extending it towards human beings, that's selfish also. Because, animals also have families, they also have feelings, obviously. So we must, it's great that I'm meeting you, I'm quite inspired meeting you. Do you want to say something?
She's an animal activist.
Yeah. No, I think even just not animals, but also the environment is something which we need to really respect, especially with how climate change is kind of don't know if anyone sees on Netflix, you know, documentaries like Cowspiracy or the Leonardo DiCaprio one. It's very scary, and I think.
I'm sure the Leo one everyone's seen.
Yeah. Well, I was just like saying as an example, but I think it is very important to not only love ourselves and love our families and friends, but also love our environment, because without that, we essentially are nothing.
True. Yeah. You, please. Pucha.
Hi, first of all, best luck for your film. It looks great. The cinematography looks great.
Listen, you guys mean that, right?
Yeah.
Because honestly, I also, for me also, it's like my last release was Julva 2, which I am also very proud of, because it was a film that was made to make people laugh. So it is different work in that sense, but it's my kind of thing. It's my. I'm also trying to move ahead as an actor, trying to explore new genres. I hope. I mean, eventually, when you're doing a film, you're doing it for an audience. I just hope that you're also feeling that there is some heart and there is some love in it.
And I also actually really like how you mentioned the name of the writer in the trailer. It's very rare. My question is to both of you that being a lover of arts myself, inclined towards that, I understand that the love, the passion for your craft can sometimes be much more than what it is for another human. So would you like to share your experiences with this, your love for your craft?
That's a very interesting question.
Do you want us to repeat?
Just to clarify, the question is, can you have more love for your craft than for a person?
No, I'm just saying that, you know, most of the time the passion that you have for what you do when it's like films or like art, it's more than what mostly you have for humans. Sometimes it can be. So
Right.
if you've got any experiences like that, if you'd like to share.
I think for me, this film is very much my craft and my art, and I sacrificed a lot for it, but I was completely willing to do that and willing to go there because I wanted to give myself 110% of this film, not just because it's obviously the first film in my career, but because, like you said, Judy, the writer, who's incredible, and Shisa, literally sacrificed everything for this film. They poured their heart, their soul, tears, blood, sweat, everything was put into this script. And I knew that if I didn't do a good job, forget my career, but I wouldn't have done those amazing artists justice. So it's not just sacrificing for my art and my career, it's also sacrificing yourself and having that passion for other people's art and having that respect for their vision.
Yeah, that's it.
Basically, I've come home after 35 days, so I'm really feeling the love right now in a big way.
Okay, so the next question. Question! तुम बोलोगे I love you, मुझे पता है. Sir, question. अरे रुक जाओ पार्ले जी. Yes, सबको थोड़ा थोड़ा मिलेगा. आप मैम क्वेश्चन कुछ.
Hi, Manila. First of all, congratulations and good luck for your movie. The trailer seems amazing. Will not lie. Come on, girls, yes? Your trailer seems to portray the more purer and ideal side of love. What do you think the Tinder generation of our being changes that idea of love? That's my question to both of you.
Swipe right, swipe left. Varna super like.
Are you on Tinder?
No, sir, not at all. No. Mummy.
Are you on Tinder?
No, how would they know, sir?
Anyone can have Tinder, so just check, let's see if it's easier.
Not possible. I don't have net only. कैसे use करूँगा? No, sir, my mom is a ex-police officer. Allowed ही नहीं कर रहे.
Why ex-police officer?
छोड़ दिया. बोला बहुत अच्छा है. Okay, your question. I'm sorry.
Definitely, I think the film, Sujita has made this film. This film, I did this film in a reason to connect to that generation in a way. Because, you know, with social media, with full WhatsApp generation, with Tinder, with all this today, like I said, love is so abused. What is love? You know, you're there, hota hai, jo hota hai, then you move on to something else. Because everything is available so easily today. It's just there. Even when we need to order food, you just type it in, it'll be there. You add call a car, Uber, it's just there. So fast. But I don't think love is that. Love needs investment. Love needs time. You need to stick it out. You need to really, there's an inner voice in all of us, and that's the correct voice. And if you follow that, I think once you find love through that, it's better than any service.
interesting thing for both Ryan and I when we were filming this was that I completely shut off from social media. I did it a month before we started filming, and I was completely off it for pretty much 80% of the filming process because, forget it, it's an interference, not just in relationships, but in everyday life. And a key thing with acting is that you really have to be in the moment and you have to be present. And if you have a notification pop up that so-and-so is like, it goes with your eye.
Yeah.
That so-and-so is like your picture, then your head goes somewhere else and you can't do your job properly.
Actually, I think what she's saying is so correct. If we all try just, cutting off from social media for some time, it's amazing. And it's become an occupational hazard now for all of us. When we were shooting in Delhi, Sujit sir made us go off. We went off it for a while. I started getting active on it again when I met this dog, Hippo, in Manali. That was amazing meeting. Seeing that dog in Manali run around was like an amazing experience. I felt he was having way more fun than any of us humans were. But we had fun, but not as much as the dog.
Yeah.
You had more fun than Hippo. I think he was getting so much love from everyone that he was having the best time. But going off social media sometimes is fun. Because like right now, even when I walk through an airport, I have like everyone on a phone just filming like that.
And sir, Snapchat filter.
And I wonder, I said, आप प्रेस से हो, आप ये वीडियो देखता कौन है? I said, कौन देखता है वीडियो? क्या आप देखते हो? Because sometimes even I take videos, I see nature, I see a bird flying around, I take a video. My friend falls down, and I But I never actually go back and watch those videos. See them and I laugh for that second, and then it's out there in the internet for that second, and then it's done.
And then it goes to Varun Dhawan lovers, Varun Dhawan FC.
No, but what I mean is, it's kind of it's done. You need to come up with another moment again. You're not actually enjoying that moment or living that moment. Everyone has such interesting hair over here. I'm so sorry to divert, but this girl has such really cool hair.
Pink.
She has dreadlocks over there.
Sir, I am Takla. I made it like that.
Really amazing, yeah.
हाँ, ऐसे बाल खोलो और ऐसे से करो. आप पूछिए क्वेश्चन, मैम.
जो पीछे है, उनको भी पूछ रहे हैं.
हाँ, वही. वो. अरे हाँ. आए रेट कबरू. आ जाओ. वो देखो वो स्नैपचैट लेते हुए आ रही है. मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा. वो देखो. अरे ये रही, कहाँ गई वो लड़की लंबी सी? इधर कंफ्यूजन हो गया. प्रेम से बोलो जय माता दी. जल्दी किसी को दो बेटे. क्वेश्चन उनकी वो रही, कहाँ गई वो? द क्वेश्चन ये सर दैट वन सर. हाँ, अच्छा, वेरी नाइस. हाँ, बिल्कुल चल रहा है. 1 minute. It's not working. I will come there. Hello, Betty.
Make sure you don't lose the purse. That's all.
Yes, sir. No, I will not. Jaan se bhi pyara.
Okay, we have a very important question to ask. Can we please come on stage and have a dance with you?
We haven't even released any song as yet. So.
Okay. 1 minute. हाँ.
So we've got the October theme, which is like that slow romantic dance. So someone wants to do that.
But it's unfair for Banita, ma'am.
I'm fine. I don't want to dance.
No, she doesn't want to dance. You can dance with the bag. Yeah, I'll take the.
So, we can do that. We can get the theme and we can do this. Though these guys have like told me don't dance, but I.
Sir, here she is. आ गई सर पीछे से. वो रही. सर मैं माइक ले लेता हूँ सर.
वो थीम बजा दो एक बार.
Play the theme, please. तो 2 लोग एक साथ नाचेंगे. अच्छा, मतलब इनडायरेक्टली बोलो ना, यू डोंट वांट टू डांस विद मी, ऐसा बोलने का ना. ओके. कैन वी प्ले द थीम प्लीज? टेक्निकल. हाँ, 10 सेकंड लो आप. 10, 9, 8, 7, 3, 2, 1. और प्रेम से बोलो. And here comes the recording. अरे नहीं, नाच लो.
Why don't you do a dance till the theme starts?
सर मैं?
हाँ, कुछ भी डांस कर लेना.
सर थीम स्टार्ट.
उसके पहले कुछ डांस कर लेना.
Without music, sir.
Without music only.
Sir, without music, I know one step of yours.
So we'll all clap and he'll dance.
Sir, I'm a good dancer. Sir, सच्ची में I'm a good dancer. Sir, करता रहूँ मैं आपका sir. Saturday, कर दी. और sir, जिसको दीवाना आता था मुझे sir. Sir, याद है. It's there. तुम्हारी मम्मी ने बड़ा चॉकलेट खिलाया सर आ गया अक्टूबर नवंबर दिसंबर
Only amount of dancing I'm allowed to do on this film. I'm so sorry. Listen, I ordinarily would come here all guns blazing and do like something easy, but I want to keep the sanity of this movie what it is. And I just want to tell you guys that I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. And all of you have asked such incredible questions, very intelligent questions. And that's amazing, amazing to know. I think all the questions that came, it just shows how many different interests you people have over here. And I hope this movie connects with you guys, because honestly, it's made from the heart and it's for you guys.
Sir,
We have
I
some
was
t-shirts.
thinking if you can, like, if you want to dance, humbly, sir, some other song. Sir, 2 minutes, sir. Any sir, they want to see you dance, sir. Any song, sir. No? Okay, no. नाचे ना 3 बार तुम लोगों के लिए. अब कितनी बार नाचोगे?
Okay, so these don't have
Okay,
more.
these are the t-shirts.
We don't have more t-shirts. Get them. किसके लिए बचा के रखें?
तुम्हें नहीं मिलेगा.
गाड़ी में? Okay, now we're getting some more t-shirts. You know, for all you guys up there, you've made so much noise. I don't know if this t-shirt is going to go from here all the way there, but should we try? No, should we try? Nobody's going to move, but should we try throwing it?
अरे सर ऊपर चले गई. सर थ्रो लाइक दिस ऐसे चले जाएगा. अरे बनीता कम ऑन. जय जय जय. With power. Till there. Till there. Come on. Sir, one more over there, sir, please. Sir, ऐसे. That's it, will do. Sir, जाएगा, sir. Sir, अटक गया. Catching practice.
Thank you guys, you've been amazing. October's releasing on April 13th. Please, please, please go watch the movie.
Sir, please don't leave, sir.
Lots of love.
Sir, we would like to felicitate you, sir.
No, you can't felicitate us. क्या फूल?
Sir, देख लीजिए.
इतना प्यार दिया है अभी और क्या चाहिए?
Sir, it's my job, sir.
क्या ले ऐसे दे क्या देगा?
A big round of applause for Saurav Mehra and Yash Shahani, the owners of Bombay Garkhana Entertainment. Here comes.
Thank you guys, thank you so much for this.
So here comes the selfie. नहीं नीचे ही रहो. सर फोन है. फोन देना मैडम. फोन. ओ मिल गया. आ गए. लाइट ऑन कर दो. हाउस लाइट्स प्लीज. हाउस लाइट्स. सर हाउस लाइट्स रखते हैं सर. सब दिखेंगे सर. यहाँ पे आ जाए.
Sir, ऊपर वाला रहेगा. A big round of applause for Please